Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the next big thing by Forbes, the place where innovation meets inspiration. Right at the entrance, visitors were greeted by the world of hobby drone, where freedom, adrenaline, and technology take flight. Our stand showcased drones of every size, from tiny micro quads to massive 20-inch cargo beasts ready for real-world missions. Two large screens brought the FPV experience to life, streaming live footage directly from our pilots flying inside the fake gallery. 5 FPV pilots fly the drones through the event space, showing both DJI digital and analog video transmission in action. And for those who wanted to experience the thrill themselves, we set up an FPV simulator with a real transmitter, where anyone could try flying and learn the basics. Our team shared flying tips, answered questions, and helped visitors understand what it really feels like to be in the pilot seat. Hobby drone, freedom, adrenaline, and the endless view from above.